inducement of children into gambling is a crime. So they should have registered the complaint. So last time when we followed up with the police, they said they will take it up, take a say from the Department of Director of Prosecution, DOP. But till date, the complaint has not been registered. When we went to the Gaming Commissioner says that as per the Gambling Act, the rules and the structure does not allow him to take action. So, and as Crizel has said, we met the Children's Commission chairperson, the entire committee, and they said that they will be following up with the Gaming Commissioner and the police station. Now we want to say that such a big crime is happening against the children, but no FIR is registered. There is a violation of law. But a simple act like throwing garbage, the police were quick to react. So why this discrimination? So where children have to be protected, there is no protection. Now this Goa Gambling Act, under that the Gaming Commissioner was appointed in 2020, and till today the Gaming Commissioner is defunct when it comes to checking all the violations that are happening. Who is going to see oversee the crimes committed in the casino? And here the entry is prohibited. Who is monitoring? There is no monitoring taking place, absolutely. And we demand that till action is taken, immediately the government should stop children going into the casinos.
But what assurance now they are giving police?
Nothing. The PI is on leave and the Agasai PI is holding charge. So we could not meet anybody.
But how long you people will wait now?
We will take the next step. So we are following the procedure.
Madam, when the children goes in the casino, it is a serious offence. So why action is not taken till date?
There is a failure of governance, because all the decisions that the government takes is always in favor of the casinos, never in favor of the citizens and protection of the children.
What is your next step about this if the complaint is not taken seriously?
See, that is a legal process. So if the police does not register the complaint, we will take the next legal step. We are already consulting our lawyers.
Do you think the police is working with the pressure or influence of somebody?
The police, I think, is working under the instruction of the Home Department.
Any time limit you are giving for the police now?
We have already the complaint that we have given is 2 months old. So we will wait for the required time period, because as we said, we are taking legal opinion.
But ma'am, how long? Because from last 2 months you are saying the last 2 months you are...
Yeah, so the next step is going to the court. So we have to give a certain time period. That's why we said we will check up with our lawyers, because tomorrow they will say that we were in the process and we have gone to court. So what is the time period necessary to wait before we take the next step? That is what we are talking to our lawyers.
And we want a reply in writing from the police. So verbally they have said they're going to take action, they're sending it to this department and that department, but unless something comes back in writing, we don't know what it is for sure. So we have requested a reply in writing from them and from the Gaming Commissioner about this issue.
We had read in the papers that the rules were framed, but there is no notification absolutely, and so there is no implementation of the law.
Thank you. Yes. Casino, आम्ही 25th April 2026 police station एक complaint request केला that under 21s as per the Goa Gambling Act are not allowed on board casino vessels. The Goa Gambling Act is very clear about this. But we have seen that children are going on board, birthday parties jata, families burgan घेऊन वयता ते boatir. So we had registered a complaint that minors are not allowed and the police have to take action. After 2 months, no action has been taken. So today we have come to follow up. PI was not available, so we have inverted a letter. Now, apart from police, आम्ही also gaming commissioner complaint दिला and आम्ही children's commissioner complaint केला that they have to take action against this serious issue against minors being taken onto the boats and being induced into gambling. So this is what has happened so far. This is a very serious matter and we will be pursuing it further.
Under the Goa